Yeah, Faith, we're going to see some clouds around for much of the day, and we'll start to see some showers working into the southern part of the viewing area later this evening. We'll have those rounds of heavy rain during the overnight into early Tuesday, and then a cold front will make its way through early Wednesday morning, bringing another slight chance of a couple of light showers and much cooler weather, and then we'll see another bout of rain return for the weekend. But looking at the radar across the southeast, you can see where the heaviest of rain is this morning across central Louisiana near Alexandria, and then we have some pretty heavy rainfall coming out of the Gulf of Mexico into the eastern shore of Texas near Lake Charles and Houston, and there's also a good bit of rain all the way from West Texas into eastern Texas. But right now, as we look a little bit closer to the Delta, there is a lot of cloud activity around, but not that much rain going on, so the morning commute's not terrible. Do have some fog up towards Ripley and Tunica and even Oxford. I've seen some areas of patchy fog this morning. A couple of light showers near Louisville and Philadelphia, and you might see a couple of sprinkles along I-20 near Jackson and Canton. And our best chance of rain is actually going to be early tomorrow into the overnight hours. We'll see that clearing trend as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday's looking pretty good if you're heading out to those Friday night football games, but Saturday into Sunday, we'll start to see those rain chances back on the increase as another system works its way towards the Delta. Taking a look at our future tracker, not a whole lot going on through this evening, but as we head into the overnight hours, look at all of this heavy rain that develops and pushes across the Delta. It looks like the heaviest of rain is going to be south of the 82 corridor. The further north you go, the less rain you will receive. As you can see, Charleston only picking up about 1/100 of an inch through 6 a.m. And this is all just a model projection, so you can't take it for truth, but this is what could happen with the situation that is unfolding across our region. And as we head through the rest of the day, this heavy rain continues through much of the morning into the afternoon. And as we head into the 4 o'clock hour, as you're getting ready to get off of work, we're still going to see some light to moderate showers across much of the Delta. But as we head into the evening, we start to see a clearing trend. And then another line of storms come through with that cold front. That's going to bring us much cooler weather and some pretty strong winds out to the north. And this is an idea of what you can expect rainfall-wise. Look at that, up to almost 4 inches in Yazoo City, 2 in Belzona, just under an inch in Greenwood, over an inch in Greenville. And look at that, Lake Providence up to 6 inches. And this is going to pose a flash flooding threat if we can get over 6 inches of rain. And like I said, this is a model projection, but we could see amounts as high as 6 inches possible in localized areas. Most places will not see that much rain. We'll generally see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches along and south of the 82 corridor. And the further north you go, you will not see nowhere near as much rain. As you can see, just about 0.34 in Clarksdale, so not too bad as further north you go, but we could see some pretty heavy rain as we head into early tomorrow, especially from north of Jackson up into about Yazoo City and south of Greenville. We see a couple of inches, and look at this. This is the swath where we're expecting the heaviest of the rain from Montgomery to Jackson to Shreveport. So portions of the Delta could see some rainfall in excess of 3 inches, and you can see the key right here. This darkest shade is 3+. And the outer shade is 2 to 3 inches. So definitely keep that in mind as you're heading out the door tomorrow. But this morning we're looking good. Temperatures around 57 in Greenville, a little bit warmer in Greenwood with 58 degrees. Not expecting any rain through the morning, and the rest of the region much cooler into the northwestern Delta. We're in the mid to upper 40s, and as you head further south, it gradually gets warmer and warmer in the 60s in Vicksburg this morning and upper 50s Greenville and Greenwood, like I just mentioned. But today we're going to see a high of 74, so it's going to warm up pretty nicely. We're going to see more clouds than sun, and a couple of peaks of sunshine are possible throughout the day, but we'll see more clouds than sun, like I just mentioned. And tonight we'll see that rain becoming widespread during the overnight hours and into early Tuesday with a low around 65 degrees. And tomorrow those rounds of heavy rain will continue through the afternoon. And we could see a couple of thunderstorms, so don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder with a south-southeast wind at 3 to 7 miles per hour. And our 7-day forecast, best chance of rains on Tuesday. Wednesday, we clear out. It's going to be cool. Temperatures back in the 40s, and then by the time the weekend rolls around, we see another chance of rain coming back into play.